Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to post Threads link on your Instagram story. Let's open Threads app. Here, you can see on the bottom right corner your profile icon. Tap on it. Here in your Threads, you can see an H icon, message icon, repost icon, and then airplane icon. Tap on it. And now, click on link so it will copy your link. Now, go to your Instagram icon, which will navigate you to your Instagram account. Now, tap on the plus button, select a photo from your gallery, go to your sticker icon, and here, find link. Here it is. Click on it. And now, here, paste the link that you have copied from Threads account. And now, tap on the done button. So now, you can see your Threads link is available here. And then, tap on the share button where you can share your tray ID to your Instagram story. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.